If you are a student, a researcher, or any other professional like a lawyer who is doing a research in an intellectual property law, this video and this new dedicated AI tool is for you. It's called Chemy Lane, as you can see here. With it, you can find the most relevant scientific academic articles and as well as to interact with your own articles. Why it is so specific? Because it has access over 120 million scientific articles in the field of chemistry. It can retrieve data from these articles. So this is not any generic AI tool with an access to all articles in all fields, but it has access to articles in the field of chemistry, which makes it distinguishable from others, and which databases it uses, why it is so unique. Here we can see they use different databases, including they have access to the articles directly from the publishers like Springer Nature, Taylor and Francis, Wiley, and etc. So let us test this tool together. First, couple of words about signing up and in. It's very straightforward. If you already have an account, click on this login button here. If you don't want to start new, you can click on this start my 30-day free trial button here. Once you click, you will see this simple form. Type your name, last name, email address, password, and again password. Select your preferred language. I selected English, and then click on this save and continue. Since I already have an account, I have already completed this step, but it's very quick and easy to set up your account. You will receive an email with a confirmation code. Enter that code in the next page to confirm your account and start using the tool. With free testing account, you can only do simple research, but you cannot upload papers from your local computer to interact with. But if you would like to upgrade your account, stay tuned. In the end of this video, I'm going to share a special discount code by which you can get a nice discount on this tool. After signing in, you will see this simple interface. Here you can ask questions. On the search bar, you can type your questions and keywords, or you can upload PDF here and interact with your PDF. But before searching articles, I definitely suggest, first of all, let us check these collections here. Collections is a very useful feature of this tool in order to keep your projects neat and organized. Whether you write an essay or assignment or anything else, name your projects accordingly and add always relevant papers to your respective collections. With this way, you can keep the different projects separate and different search results separate, and that would definitely make your job in the future easier. Let us create two collections for testing. I am going to name the first one Wugard Test 1. And as you see, it is already here, and I am going to create the second one, Wugard Test 2, and it is here. And let's go back to the main page. We are back to the main page. Here on the search bar, we can type our question or keywords. I'm going to put my simple request here, like most commonly studied catalyst in CO2 reduction. You can, of course, type your own keywords or precise questions, then click on the search button here. So in a couple of seconds, we have to see the results. Yes, here we are. Here you can adjust the results by year. And as you can see, you can, on the text availability section, you can tick the full text or abstract or no abstract. You can also select the document type. For example, if you need to find dissertations, you can tick here. And you can also use advanced filters, like you can select the specific journal here, or you can select the specific publisher here. You can check these filters for yourself. In the upper side, we can see the result, the summary, the brief summary of the most relevant documents. For my request, it was 4. This is a nice feature because, let's say, if you don't know where to start, but you have some ideas, you just type your question and keywords, then you have this very brief summary with a couple of sources in it, it's definitely a nice feature for the start. And under this summary, you can see the relevant different questions on which you can click and do further research. And under the questions, you can see the list of sources this tool found for my request. And let's say you can check them. You can also sort them here again, and you can add them to your collection by clicking to the add to collection. And you can also go to the original source by clicking, let's say, this source here. And when you click, you can open this page, you can read the abstract, and you can click on the open PDF button. And as you see, the PDF version is ready. You can start reading it. With this AI tool, you can do many other stuff with the power of AI. It has some special features that no other tool in the market can provide in this field specifically. Like you can get recommendations, you can create reporting, etc. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I added a couple of another articles to my collection 1, which is UGAR test 1 here. You see now I have 11 documents, but you can get more articles. How you can get one of the way you can do that to get recommendations from this tool, just simply clicking on this get recommendations button here, and it usually takes up to 60 seconds, but I have already created one. I can open it right away. You can see this is the article we have here, but you can also see which articles written before and which articles this article cited, and also you can see the connection, the relationship between other articles, so you can discover more articles in this way and add them to your collection. This is definitely a nice feature. Another important feature, I would say, that feature definitely sets apart this tool in the market. And to showcase this, let's say you can create a report. How you can do that? You can launch a new report, but I already created one report. So let us open it. First of all, you will have, so this is a kind of report on my collection 1. You will have this nice summary here about all articles I have in my collection. And apart from the summary, so you can read it, and apart from the summary, you can have these compounds, experimental plans, and product characterization. So what are the compounds? As you can see here with the nice photo, you can click on them. You can see more data when you click on them. You can see supply risk score, ecological impact score, cost score, and also you see this canonical smiles for the molecule. And when you come here, you will see the supply chain stability map, and this tool even provides the main suppliers of this. And I think this is definitely a nice feature, additional, apart from the academic stuff that you are doing. You can see which supplier you have for this compound. And apart from that, you will have this experimental plans. When you click on this, you can see, so if you are in the field, you can create your own based on this plan, and you can even add more experimental plan and compare them like this way. And product characterization, you will see the list form here, and if you click on the card view, you will see these nicer colorful schemes, and you can see additional data like characterization method here and the measured property, etc. It's definitely nice additional features, the very important features that set this tool apart. And apart from that, what you can do, you can directly export the whole data, the data about the articles in different formats, and you can download and you can import them to your, let's say, reference management program like Zotero, etc., to your library. With this tool, you can also, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, upload your documents, and you can do basically the same things with your own documents that you found on this tool. So you can click on or simply drop your PDFs here and you can start interacting with them. This tool comes with 3 plans. Like the free plan, you can test it with a limited amount of research without uploading PDF, and then you can decide if you want to upgrade your account. You can pay monthly and annually, and if you want to select this essentials plan, you can use Vanguard 20 to get 20% discount for your purchase. So that is it for this tutorial. Please hit like and subscribe button and put your questions in the comments. I will try to answer them. Thank you for your attention.